Ok, continuamos con parte 2. Los números. Ya ustedes ya saben 1 a 10, yo creo. Pero vamos a repetir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, bien. Those you probably are very familiar with. Yeah? Okay. Let's look at 11 hasta 14. 11 to 14. Notice that they end in se. Vamos a repetir. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Así, también 15. Okay? So 11 through 15 end in se. Y luego 16, 16 hasta 19. Look at the pattern. 10, 10 and, but it's one word. A ver, repitan. 16, 17, 18, 19. Notice the acento sobre la E en 16. Ahora 20. Vamos a repetir. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 y luego 30. Notice the pattern with 20, okay? 20 on its own is just 20 con E, pero 21 hasta 29, notice it becomes an E, okay? 21, and it's one word. There's one error on here. 22 should have an acento sobre la O. 22. 22, okay? Notice 23 also has acento. Y 26. 16, 26, 22, 23. Okay? Esos cuatros. Y luego 30. Notice what happens with 31 and on. Okay? Now instead of being one word, son tres palabras, 3 words. 31. Okay? 31. 31. Okay? So those are all the ones you have to know for la fecha, the date. And these are all in sus apuntes, your notes, the hoja that I gave you. How do you ask about the date and answer? Se dice, ¿cuál es la fecha o cuál es la fecha de hoy? Repitan, ¿cuál es la fecha de hoy? Okay, what is the date today? Here is the pattern for answering. Es el, and you fill in a number, de, of, then the month, then de, and then the year. Or you can simply stop at the month. Por ejemplo, hoy es el 15 de octubre de 1982, perdón, 86. Okay, you don't have to worry about saying those years right now, but you do need to, on your prueba, your quiz, you will need to write the numbers out in words, en palabras, okay? 15. Mañana es el 23, notice el acento, de mayo de 1994. Ayer fue el 10 de abril de 1998. When you say most days of the month, all of the others you use the número, just use the number. Es el 4 de julio. Es el 20 de octubre, okay? Pero with the first of the month, hay que usar el primero el primero. You have to use this instead of uno, you say primero. Por ejemplo, hoy es el 1 de enero del 2000. Mi cumpleaños es el 1 de agosto. And finally, this is important to remember when you write a date in Spanish, and actually in other countries other than Spanish-speaking countries, we're the odd ones, the date comes first. Instead of saying July 4th, el 4 de julio de 1999. And notice when it's written out like this, abbreviated, the day comes first, 4 de julio. Julio es el séptimo mes, it's the 7th month, y luego el año, okay? And then the year. Those are two ways of writing it there. Same thing. Ahora, lo que van a hacer, now what you're going to do, you will have these handouts that look something like this at the top. Actually, exactly like this, not just something. So you're going to answer the following questions solo, okay, by yourself. Parte 1, 2, y 3. Okay, the first 3 parts by yourself. ¿Cuál es la fecha? All of this first part is ¿cuál es la fecha? You need to answer in oraciones completas, complete sentences. Por ejemplo, es el 2 de septiembre. Es el 15 de enero, okay? So that would be a complete sentence. And you need to spell out your numbers, okay? Bien. Acuérdense que el cumpleaños es birthday, okay? Luego, parte 2. ¿En qué? ¿En what? ¿En qué estación es mayo? Okay? So you would write the season that mayo is in, okay? And make sure you know those for your quiz. Y luego, ¿en qué mes? In what month? Okay? You can use the dictionary if you have trouble with any of those. Y luego, parte 4. Parte 3, part 3 is antes y después, before and after. So you have to write what comes before and after. Parte 4 es con una pareja, with a partner. You're going to be asking these questions to your partner, and your partner will ask you these questions. Son las mismas preguntas de parte 1, okay? They're the same questions from part 1. ¿Cuál es la fecha de tu cumpleaños? Okay, and so you ask, and that person would say, es el 1 de marzo, okay, or whatever it is. And you would then write the answer in there, las fechas, and then you would write la estación would be marzo, sería primavera. You would write primavera, okay, or la primavera. And you would go through these, okay? Bien, entonces hay que trabajar con una pareja. Okay, buena suerte. Good luck. Study well and hard today. Make sure you know all of those things. Días, fecha, cómo decir la fecha, how to say the date. Meses, estaciones, months, days, seasons. Números, claro. Los números 1 al 31, you have to know your numbers in order to say la fecha. Okay? Buena suerte y hasta luego. Adiós.